Hello, dear friends. Actually, this is Shivakkumar. Again, actually, many people are asking me what is new technology in S4 HANA. So, I can say very recent technology is SAP Business Technology Platform, simply called SAP BTP. So, which is used for creating a cockpit kind of thing. Say, for example, if it is a logistics thing, we can create a logistic cockpit portal starting from procurement of material, and then I can say till the end customer delivery. Okay, so here actually we are covering the procurement of material from vendor, and once we receive that material from the vendor, we can place, I mean, we can do put away before, I mean, before that we can do quality management for the incoming raw material, and then placing in the final bin for the put away, and then actually issuing to the production. And then actually once a product is converted from the raw material to finished good, then it is again went to quality management. And then once that is confirmed, quality approved, then actually we can take it for the fixer, I mean, finished goods warehousing, or sending to the I can say the shipment. And then we can either club all the deliveries in single shipment, or multiple shipment is encouraged based on the business need. And then actually we have say able to track and trace the material flow between the different countries. Say, for example, if you're taking the material from London to Turkey, actually you can you have in the mid, actually you have different distribution warehouses, or different distribution center warehouse, so you can place the material, and partly you can remove the remaining material to other locations. So you can, if any problem in transporting the material in between the stations, actually we can do actually proper tracking and tracing. And if any issues happen in between them, actually we can find the solution for that, why it happened. And you can find, say, if it is any natural calamity happen, you can try for alternative paths. Say, for example, if you are taking the sea freight, actually if any issues due to natural calamity, immediately you can take the materials and issue the to end customer through the air freight or roadways, anything. And you can even track where the material is going between this UK to Turkey, using the global positioning systems and geographical information systems. Lot of sensors are there fixed with the I mean, it is put with the truck or lorry. Actually, I mean, I can say in India, actually we can see the freight called we are saying lorry, and normally in general term, actually shipment truck or whatever it may be. So carriers, transporting carriers, right? So you can take in between the stations, and you can reach to the final destination, right? And sometimes actually you can unload the stock for the particular warehouse in Germany, actually then you can distribute to the local customers in Germany, likewise France, Belgium, or whatever it may be. It depends on your exact movement of direction, right? And so here actually you can track and trace, starting from the vendor procurement, from procurement from the vendor to end customer deliveries. You can have a full view of material flow, so you can monitor the movement, and then analyze it, and then do predictions, and then based on you can do execution. So whatever feedback coming from the execution will be given as an input. We have a lot of modules in between the SAP Business Technology Platform. So it's just to say it is an accelerated business outcome with integrated data to value and extensibility of use, right? So SAP Business Technology Platform, shortly SAP BTP, brings together intelligent enterprise applications with database and data management, analytics, integration, and extension capabilities into one platform for both cloud and hybrid environment. So hybrid environment also possible. We can club both the on-premise and cloud, right? So including hundreds of pre-built integrations for SAP and third-party applications can be readily available in the BTP platform. Okay. And SAP Business Technology Platform includes database and data management as a first component, then analytics as a second component, third one application development and integration as a third component, and fourth one intelligent technologies. Okay, so this everything run on open runtime, open APIs and open environments, and then we have foundational courses available, then cloud, on-premise, hybrid models, cutting edge technology is available, and any data store connectivity is possible. When coming to data and data management, what are the modules involved? So SAP HANA, SAP HANA Cloud, third one SAP Data Intelligence, and then fourth one SAP Master Data Governance, simply SAP MDG, and SAP Adaptive Server Enterprise. Okay, these are the components comprising of database and data management. Next comes to analytics. Okay, in the analytics part we have different modules, that is SAP Analytics Cloud, SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, simply called DWC, and SAP Business Object BI, and SAP Business Planning and Consolidation, and SAP BW4 HANA. Okay, these are the main components comprising of analytics part. Okay, and third comes actually application development and integration. In that we have SAP Integration Suite, SAP Extension Suite, and SAP Process Orchestration. Okay, so just orchestrating the entire end-to-end process in a logistics, right? That is, not only a logistics in finance or any process, actually supply chain, we need a SAP Process Orchestration, simply called SAP PO, right? So it interface many application components with the new inbuilt or existing technologies. And then we have fourth one intelligent technologies. Under that we have SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation, simply called SAP RPA, it is intelligent RPA, and SAP conversational AI, that is artificial intelligence, and SAP IoT, Internet of Things, and SAP AI Business Services, and SAP RAM. Okay, which acts as, say for example, here I like to point out SAP RAM is nothing but, say for example, if a business user is not having coding or any technical knowledge, so he can monitor all the activities and can act, or you can process the total BTP platform using SAP RAM interface. He can do monitoring and activities from RAM platform, right? So these are the advantages. So what are the importance on database and data management? So run data anywhere. You can run the data from anywhere, any point of time. Reduce the data redundancy, and connect and understand the data, and govern master data. These are the importance features of SAP data, that is database and data management. Okay, and next comes to analytics. Okay, so using analytics, what are the features means? Streamline analytics process, embedded BI, predictive planning, and then turn insights into actions. Whatever you are planning an insight, you can turn into action and visualize your decisions. Okay, these are the important things. And when it comes to application development and integration, you have connection apps, data, and then process, and then simplify application development and expand with an open ecosystems. These are the main features. When it comes to intelligent technologies, we have access artificial intelligence, data driven cloud apps, and then embedded intelligence into process, and drive end-to-end innovations, scale your platform. So all this brings you a great advantage. Okay, so this will help you to bring the platform intelligent enterprise. Okay, and build this will what BTP will do. So it will build a strong digital foundation. Okay, SAP Business Technology Platform normally is a unified business centric and open platform for the entire SAP ecosystems or environment, enabling user to integrate and create a value from data and extend their SAP and third party solutions. The third party solution landscapes to meet evolving business needs. Okay, so that is an important thing. You can actually you can do that, and we have a 24/7 insights to keep everything prepared and everything properly monitored. Okay, so these are the main advantages of SAP BTP. So SAP BTP is definitely a gift to the user community. So everything, we need to have a clear understanding of business technology platform, and to understand the fast changing of digital transformation, benefit from an ever growing set of platform capabilities, why we need to adapt to SAP BTP. Okay, that again is $1 million questions. Okay, so that's very is a very important aspect, and everybody has to has to know that. Okay, so that is important. So the SAP is now a market leader in enterprise applications software. So SAP helps companies of all sizes, whether it is a small scale or mid scale or large scale, so from top and bottom to top, right, all sizes in all the industry, to run their best. So we are committed to deliver to our client on our vision for the intelligent enterprise, where companies use business applications and innovation technology to get full insights into their operations. With these insights, organization can continuously and conqueously improve the performance, customer satisfaction, employee well-being, and their ecological footprint by applying advanced technologies and best practices within the agile integrated business process. Enterprise can become resilient, successful, and sustainable. Our business application help companies run their end-to-end process without any error-prone issues, and with more stability and reliability on the business process, covering the key process such as lead to cash, design to operate, source to pay, and recruit to retire. Right. So SAP, the recruit to retire is nothing but a HR model. Source to pay is nothing but your procurement model. Design to operate is nothing but your production planning, and then lead to cash is nothing but a OTC, order to cash, that is SD. SAP BTP enables the companies to adapt this process and applications, and helping them to innovate and become their own unique versions of intelligent enterprise, right? So that is called driving the agility, right, to right technology. SAP BTP helps the customers to achieve the agility, business value, and continuous innovation through the integration, creation of value from data, and extensibility of SAP and third-party applications and data assets. Okay, the platform combines access to the technology with ease of use in simple and harmonized experience, with a distinct focus on rapid business innovations. Okay, and SAP BTP brings together existing solutions such as SAP HANA Cloud Database, SAP Integration Suite, SAP Extension Suite, and SAP Analytics Cloud, that is simply called SAC, we are calling Sap Analytics Cloud, with a new development services, as well as low code, no code, and marketplace capabilities in one place. Okay, the platform provides foundational capabilities to support on-premise, hybrid, and cloud scenarios, operating flexibility and choice to drive agility and speed. Okay, so one platform, so composing technology and capabilities. Okay, so that is very important thing here. And I can say it's a one technology platform. Database management use SAP HANA Cloud, Database Intelligent Cloud, and SAP Data Warehouse Cloud to store, access, connect, and interpret all kind of data, and interpret all set of data, not just from SAP solutions, right? So from flexibility to effectively and at speed of business demands. Okay, these are the database management, database and data management futures. Then comes to analytics. Okay, so if you are concentrating on analytics, you can use SAP Analytics Cloud, including planning and forecasting, the functionalities that facilitates rapid decision making in addition to transactional I can say consistency to allow business to become truly insight driven. Okay, that is very important here. And so we need to have a complete set of planning. Okay, say if you want to have a application development and integration you are planning for, then connect the systems and business process with agility. And I can say it should be I can say with fast speed and rapidly build and extended applications. Okay, so across the value chain, and help offerings such as I can say SAP integration suite and SAP extension suite. Okay, so these are the important application development thing we need to consider in our place. Okay, and again comes intelligent technologies. Okay, in that actually we have I can say integration technologies. Okay, so we can uh, say the ignite innovations and artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and Internet of Things and intelligent RPAs, right? This technology change the way we live and work, right, in a day-to-day environment. So what makes SAP BTP different from other technologies? Okay, in case of other existing technologies or other new innovations, right? So SAP BTP provides a different business and technology value for the companies by offering unified business centric and open platform. Okay, these are the very important things. So unified, what are the unified things? Okay, you need to know what is a unified, what is business centric, and what is open. Okay, unified means to meet customer demand for more initiative simple platform. SAP BTP offers unified experience that spans a wide variety of scenarios around the integration, creation of value from data and extensibility for process in up to 25 different key industries. Capabilities of SAP BTP supports a simplified user experience and enable functional interoperability between SAP applications and technology. We deliver the platform through an aligned consumption-based commercial offering with different payment options, right? Which gives customers a flexibility and choice. For example, a pay as you subscription model helps the companies with a high value services to meet the dynamic business needs. We intend to offer a free I can say free tier model to enable simplified access across the broader SAP ecosystems and business centric. So SAP B2B focus on improving the business outcomes of the companies can achieve more on the platform, what more platform offers, right? So that is called process and data specific tooling that helps organization rapidly build and extend the SAP applications. So business services, right? So business services and pre-packaged content help users meet a domain specific requirement and develop focused data analytics scenarios. Okay, and the platform includes a semantic layer of business data helping user access necessary information right in the context of the business, independent from where the data resides. Built-in security and I can say a compliance helps safeguard the business critical informations even in in the critical business days. Okay, so even the customized IT systems services for SAP BTP inherit the business logic and deep domain knowledge with SAP systems. Okay, what more, the platform supports an advanced approach to choosing actionable use cases. The companies can benefit from clear guidance and digital artifacts that help simplify and accelerate the selection, project planning, and implementation of technology solutions to create real and immediate business case. Okay, what is open in case of business technology platform? Companies needs flexibility, which when it comes to how they deploy and run a business process and IT systems and companies, right? And because SAP BTP is open, organization choose how to build and extend on a hyperscaler and cloud infrastructure, SAP data centers, or on their own premises. Okay, so we also understand that the development wants to use a market leading uh, market leading technologies and purpose to build a tooling. For that reason, SAP BTP is comfortable with many best in class development services and top notch, right, in all among all the even within the SAP technologies. It uses the open source technology or development, helping the companies benefit from their agility and innovation or for the for the developer community, right? Face the fast challenges of digital transformation, right? As already told, a unified technology platform and a streamlined user experience are just a start. In developing SAP BTP, we need to focus clearly on the business challenges that influence the entire enterprise process and helping companies to overcome the difficulties, right? So challenges in the sense we have when doing digital transformations, we need to consider about the value drivers for the SAP BTP. So what are the challenges? So challenges in the sense complex, whether it is hybrid IT landscapes, limited usability of large scale volume data volumes, and pressure to innovate due to the volatile market, means changing a market, not a stable, means, and evolving digital business models, right? Okay, and value drivers, what we understood from SAP BTP is process and data integration, value from data and extensibility and innovations, expanded ecosystems, right? So so we need to consider the connecting applications, data, and business process also very important. So today's business community operate in increasingly complex IT environments, and think about its system landscape and or more drivers, including a mix of on-premise and cloud environments and legacy applications, hyperscaler providers, and open source technologies, platforms, and vendors, right? So by 2025, the driven by volatile global conditions, 75% of business leaders will leverage the digital platforms and ecosystems capabilities to adapt their value chains to new market industries and ecosystems. Okay, and so we have a face-to-face challenge of digital transformation in case of retail. So we need to breaking of data silos, big silos. So 81 percentage of responsibilities, say, data will be more to their organization 12 months from today compared to 77 percentage who said a lot of years ago. So in healthcare we have lot of opportunities. Okay, so the bringing BTP in vital healthcare products must be delivered to consumers and hospitals on time. To achieve the predictive stock replenishment, healthcare companies need to gain holistic insights into internal sales and planning data plus external trend. So whether the industrial data, institutional data providers need a solution that helps them bring data together from different sources, create real-time analytics from data, and automate tedious process of supply chain. Okay, so the key requirement is here companies need to develop a consolidated view across all data sets to achieve insights and make the timely decisions, and especially in times of rapid change, right? And innovating rapidly to stay relevant to the changing demands. And we have in agriculture field a lot of vertical farming companies manages its resources and value streams with a ERP solution to improve the production effectiveness. The company wants to quickly create a new application that enables demand driven product production planning. The new solution would help it adjust capacities and farming technologies to satisfy incoming orders. The company also wants to innovate using its core data, expecting the same usability, architecture, and security as exits the current system landscape. Okay, these are the very important and benefits from ever growing set of platform capabilities, all these things, and enabling the process and data integration and integration for customer scenarios, joint suit qualities across applications, and consistent access of data to data objects, and creating a value from the data. And we have rebuilt analytics content, and then access to third party data providers, and simplifying the extensibility and innovation which supports SAP HANA. So to support today's company's transition to an intelligent enterprise as it faces a scarcity of developers and specialized IT resources, SAP BTP offers capability that help organizations democratize their process improvements and extensions, as we have many options. So deployment, development, efficiency, and flexible tooling for everyone, and enterprise artificial intelligence for intelligent business process, and then catalyst for data driven business process improvement, and looking ahead expanded ecosystem access. So why we need to adapt SAP BTP now? This is a $1 million question. Okay, so simply put, it's time. Adding BTP is a straightforward process because the platform is included in all the cloud solutions from SAP through a free trials and a flexible consumption model. So facing the pressure and uncertainty of dynamic business models, a worldwide pandemic, global supply chain, and international business networks, enterprise have never had a greater need for a technology foundation. They can count on SAP BTP offers powerful agile capabilities that can help companies thrive in rapidly changing business landscapes. Okay, with the database and data management solutions, analytics, application development, and integration capabilities, and leading intelligent technologies, SAP BTP helps enterprise solve the business challenges, create successful outcomes, and achieve data driven innovations. Okay, so I think actually whatever I mentioned about the SAP BTP and its components, advantages, and the outcomes and merits, all these things will give you a positive insight over SAP BTP. I hope actually my video is really useful for you. Thanks for watching my videos. This is Shivakkumar signing off. Please subscribe my videos. If you like, you can share with me with your friends and give likes and subscribe me. Thanks a lot.